Move the power switch to the off position and unplug the unit from the power source. Remove the top and side panels or duct collars. Remove the bezel from in front of the control panel by pulling or prying it away from the chassis. Be careful not to damage the fasteners so the bezel can be reattached later. Remove the 6 screws fastening the control panel to the unit. Remove the capacitor from the compressor to create enough space to move the control panel. Unplug the control panel by pressing in the tabs on either side of the cable connector. Push in the control panel and pull the power cable through the gap, then slide the control panel aside. Remove the nut holding the ground wire in place and disconnect the wire from the grounding stud. Take the control panel completely out of the unit. Remove the screw located on the compressor electrical box. To access the start components, remove the electrical box cover by pulling up on the release tab, then locate the overload and current relay. Reinstall the overload and current relay. Then pop the electrical box cover back into place. Ensure no wires are pinched underneath. Reinstall the screw on the electrical box cover. Pull the power cable through the control panel opening, then reinstall the control panel. Screw in at least 1 screw to hold the control panel in place. Reconnect the ground wire and replace the nut to fasten it in place. Reconnect the control panel by aligning pin 1 on the connector with pin 1 on the socket. Then press in the tabs on either side of the cable connector. Ensure the cables are connected securely. Reinstall the remaining screws to secure the control panel in place. Inspect the fasteners on the bezel for damage during removal. If they are damaged, replacement parts can be ordered over the phone. Finally, feed the power cord through the opening in the bezel and reattach the bezel. Reattach any panels or duct collars. Plug the unit back into the power source and move the power switch to the on position. Your unit should now be functioning.